Yatena say once again, yet more updates and so ana 18 eba and then some idea no doso had to folk there waha Asante Kotoko Aziz and so 18 ewaha and afi room edin komo Oaks FC and afi other clubs no na bibia so no etimi akoso kama na first time I hear dwumadie ya subscribe share for comment no and so intimi to comment section na bibia no and so intimi enko. So let us cherish our own. Ghana football is our own enti na bibia so no and so intimi enko. So kama Facebook Charles Addo, YouTube Charles Addo TV, TikTok and so Charles Addo TV. Yeden sem nyina so no etimi ede eba ye hasie every the Continental Club Masters Accra to folk na afia wuram enso atiesim Kotoko any other clubs no na afia godin kobo enso etimi hasie every head coach I friend say Abubakar Watara wonom ana head coach edema team friend say Accra to folk Nano da and I just say near friend say board meeting and so eba so ama me di mu de sie nyina so etimi ede bro na onim say American say RCC no ne NCC no mukoye no a just we dem supporters no omo raise say opanyina friend say Abubakar Watara no me pacho say uram our heart to focus empanifo technical team no omonya sesaye ewom enti Abubakar Watara ne nkrof na pamfo no omonya sesaye enso etim ewom na according to report any day gada no since then no Watara no say no ase na swan shipa ewo team e fe ne say Accra to fokum enti negotiation bia na ka Watara enso so ediani mu a negotiation e koso no niete say Watara ase wotwentwene na aska Accra said the first na ka push hard said the Caribbean so betimi akoso no Watara enye ne say biem Watara pese ohun no future enso ewo team a ye friend say Accra to fokum opese ohun ne dache enso ewo team a ye friend say Accra to fokum empanifo no so nyanto boase say aka kire Watara say Watara nyanto boase na omobeka de ohobia nso etimi akire no maka kire say team e friend say Accra to fokum no ebimu pese Watara enso etimi continue na obadwuma no edema team e friend say Accra to fokum nyampo next season ebimu so pese Watara eko enti mpanifo no se Watara enso entimi entwen de wo bia no beka kire Watara so pese nko no so hu ne daache enso ewo team a ye friend say Accra to fokum eni ye se de no so entimi ekoso a ye de ehon nsem no enso so entimi efru Watara camp enso entimi fera so ewo team a ye friend say Accra to fokum okọ team e friend say ha to folk aso ya nye friend say transfers and some European also 8 ekoso na onim say player ne din enso enenia ye friend say Solomon Agbasi maka kire say player ne de we are willing we are ready to play for team e friend say Accra to folk if say negotiation go through na bibia so timi koso kama empanifo no enso ebetimi asa no ejin aba team a ye friend say Accra to folk bedi aka no nsem pi sem na obi akodu no each and every day bia no empanifo no so gusu a omo so any player no so ye dey negotiate ama player no kwaba bonti so how to folk afre no enso ene no so 18 komo a hwehwe no mu say bia nso no enso ebetimi akoso na ene me koba akubia me yes no chese player no so ne dey still na negotiation gusu a eno so 18 ekoso a de bia mo hwe no mu say bia nso betimi akoso kama ewo team a ye friend say Accra to folk aso ye ana afei uram ewo team a ye friend say Heart of Lion so a nye koso ni say player friend say Ismael Addo Heart to folk aso interest enso ewo player dem a mo hwe no mu say omo nso ensa ebeka no nyamboa next season na bibia nso no etimi akoso sanso ana player friend say Emmanuel Aban enso a player ma team friend say Heart of Lions yete ɛne sɛ negotiation no bibia so no hase enso etimi ekoso a ye hwede no so ebetimi akoso nti no se die aye tetewu kakra a kyese omo free player no na bia ye ma hase na nkomo ba akomienu bi akoso nemom enye serious se nyampo omo twai se transfer no empanifo etimi abia atom empanifo bia transfer no tum kukura na afi no omo hase enso so no eye die ese omo so no etim enti se die omo hase enso so ni players ni din komo kakra se de be nyampo bia transfer windows no so tuma empanifo no so betimi the official build no akopiem e players no enso aswenti no me na ka say that say nya easy Ismael Addo Ebenezer Aban omo nyina so no da list no so a eno so etimi ekoso na uram ewo nia e fa ne se eye Nigeria na we no e from eco international cup a che se ekofo no omo de an se omo no organize tournament na tournament na omo organize no na che se omo so atimi afre class na omo so atimi abo na according to report che se tama openya efe ne se prosper na te ogum ewo team efe ne se Asante Kotoko no ana te se egofoi enso so etimi de invite e ba se on pese Kotoko enso e participate ewo ne efe ne se tournament on pese mobo nyamboa from 6 July a te se no ego international na se eco international cup eno so ba so na prosper na te ogum e catch o so munya to wase season gusu ano so ekoso na season endia ono so ebete o monka na prosperity ogum ekoye no amase nyaba ne Asante Kotoko fo no se no prosperity ogum kodia ye tournament e bebo intino ye nso so yate asese e bebo na diakoba na se tournament na Asante Kotoko ebebo no onim se na nka clubs no enso so esi etie 8 clubs ate se uko omaye fene se Benina club e fene se Daji FC omo enso eka ho ana de ni chem e Nigeria je se clubs e Nigeria ne senete club e fene se Ikorodu FC eka ho Remo Stars Shooting Stars ana fe club e fene se Ejimba enso eka ho uko South Africa Super Sport FC Cole Sierra Leone ana Ghana club ye friend say Asante Kotoko na uram ewo ne ye friend say ebra omo ye fryer no omo ye no omo de team ye friend say Accra Heart of Folk din na akwahye fryer no a che say omo de Nigeria clubs ne baaye omo de Benin club ne baaye no de Ghana de no omo de Accra Heart of Folk no na che say ne e ban say Heart of Folk for say no omo no man hu de no so ekoso website ho na obi aso from enka nkire omo say omo ko boda tournament no enti omo kra no omo e confused because obi a invite omo Asante Kotoko fo na e kire say ye invite omo a che so omo hwe ne mu kra say omo so nyampo ebia July omo wa ko boda tournament no enti ene say no so konti do ye fryer na minim say na wa twa bio say de no so ehu yo a ko ye da mistake ni so e ho a na che say ne yakoso no say gate fee no enso 1,000 naira at 1,000 naira no the bag get skema 6 cities 54 pesos 1,000 naira 6 city 54 pesos eno na tournament na e baso no gate fee 6 city 54 pesos there we bet ma ko hwebi nti no enye easy crown so nti tournament no ne e baso nti mistakes a empanifo no so atim aye wo mu no ana e de ho nsem no enso so etimi e de MT4 na uko tima ye fene say Bechem United che say enye easy crowd ho onum say player fene say Abdul Aziz Haruna Dari me the player no ho nsem so etimi e de bro say team e fene say Asante Kotoko fo show interest enso player nebo na nearby so ni say player no contract ebewu the boss season we na contract nyampo June na no contract woni team e fene say Bechem United wono enso so atimi ewu na PNS na dwen pese no pa betwe penasi bi paso say obere stand no contract na matime fene say Bechem United pa dia chiakai onye da na ne yakoso kwa ne say se kwa Asante Kotoko Frederick Asare enso asina dwen pese say die contract extension no wono so extend e Kotoko enti nia ye ne say Dari ahu sa Kotoko for show interest e woni mu pa na Frederick Asare enso na adwen se won extend contract no ene ono so extend e ma team e friend se Betim United nti likely se nyamboa next season no player friend se Abdul Aziz Dari Haruna enso betima Johnny team e friend se Asante Kotoko chese no so enye the Frederick Asare de medi kan ka kire o se ebe day se Frederick Asare enso be extend contract no e de ma team your friend say Asante Kotoko and you said so 18 echo na Betim United ho na player friend say set Kotoko and so contract ebe unyampo a ju your boss season we are ono so na address ono so contract pa de abatwe player say paso and so extend atwakai ono so extend watima your friend say Betim United say e de na ekoso Betim ana obi say kire say player friend say Isaiah Nyako and so kind of contract ebewu one so say debi one so extend ematima your friend say Betim this players women no ebe free agent just say enye easy say no player friend say set Kotoko am say clubs ni bi akese ni bi no ahase ni edin kom edis enkom sansem no de be sibia no de bra tie for matie for so aso ati say clubs ni bi enso so no edin kom de be ko ba kom ni bi enso atimi awuram ho Asante Kotoko players we mu likely say nyambo next season amonto aso ematim efene sa Asante Kotoko na ti player ni din ene ne efene sa Samson Eduku e be ka kire o ache sa Samson Eduku de empanifo no peso mu jana kwa mo no soko na omo different eye ne efene say eye striker eye ne ba Samson Eduku omo no say eye ogun ono so no transfer year no omani enje hu enye ono nko a player efene say Isaac Minta Nampo next season likely say ono so nto aso emfama team efene say Asante Kotoko Daniel Ajete enso player niate ene say ono so no ansha ono so nto aso ema team a ye fene say Asante Kotoko nyampo next season chese no so enye easy cry enso Kotoko side chese yesu ne breaking it down attaching it down now so we no so 18 ekoso team a ye fene say Asante Kotoko na uram ewani ye fene say Bekwai Heroes sise no nyetene say almost what is omudin no a transform chese enye easy cry from omudin Bekwai Heroes no se wa be no Obuasi Gold Face Football Club Abuakese no intini say no from Bekwai Heroes am relocating no and am transforming into Obuasi Gold Face Football Club and instead and so say in Abuakese logo no kama Gold Stars logo no and I just almost wait me easy na bibia so no etimi akoso kama say no say and a Unity Cup no so 8 chassis and Diamond 6 Jamaica and so the club of my friend said Trinidad and Tobago and so ana ebo Trinidad and Tobago and so ana ebo na finyambo at 6 o'clock no Nigeria and so ana Ghana ede aboni elho na unim say nyambo at so no ana say Oaks FC Middle League no almost so 18 ebo say no enye easy cry elho say no match day 4 and almost 18 but many club your friend say Root Sisters and I did ebony Root Sisters no Martin bus 8 o'clock a.m. anopa and I gave an bus so I was senior district as to no so and I gave no so bus so say Ox FC no almost so LED at some 9 points plus of 5 goals I be bian so no koso kama de my face summer test AFC amo emano and I said summer test ladies almost 9 points plus of 3 goals and I feel Root Sisters and so I was 6 points plus of 3 goals I feel team my friend says Samba ladies and so I was 3 points how many go bia and so it seems secret and so your friend say 0 points minus of 4 goals and I feel team my friend say a lot ladies and so I was 0 point minus of 7 goals and also said also ACT and Oaks FC prepare and the preparations no and so ACT chance Addo TV subscribe share for comment no and so itimi to us here preparations Oaks FC mabawa no and so itimi